Yeah, we got Tornado Sirens, February 4th, 2024. Early on a Sunday morning. They've been going off here for about 10 going on 15 minutes now. I checked, no tornado warning, no nothing. Just light rain on the radar, that's it. Yeah, this is 40 miles due north of Tulsa. Yeah, this is way up northern Oklahoma. No wind in the area, no lightning, no severe weather, no nothing. Except for light, just real light rain falling. Why we got tornado sirens, I don't know. And if they test them, it's always been during the middle part of the day. It's never been early in the morning like this, never. Yeah, I'm saying later today there's up to 30 mile per hour wind gust forecast, but that's 25 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts, and that's pretty normal for this area. February 4th, 2024. Early on a Sunday morning, wee hours in the morning. Everybody wakes up to tornado sirens north of Tulsa.